Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings, and welcome to DIY Woodworking TV, another vlog here. Today in this video I'm going to create another tool. In woodworking, definitely you have to mark the woods, you have to draw lines, for your measurements to be right. And there are times that you have to draw lines 90-degree on a piece of wood. Now I'm not sure if I'm explaining it right, but let me show it to you. For instance, I'm just talking about this. For instance, you want to mark a line on this piece of wood, and you want to mark the line from here on this edge, and you want to mark the line on this face and this face. So basically marking the line here is very easy. Just draw the line, but then to go down to this face you will have to, like for instance I have a line here, you will have to just be careful, from your eye, just like there, mark one point and then put your foot scale here, okay, square, and draw another line. Sometimes this measurement can be up and down. I'm still learning to go with the measurements, and I find that having the right tools actually does the job. This 90-degree angle ruler that I created does the job really easy. If you want to mark a line on both faces, you just put it here, okay, and 1 and 2. You can easily mark two faces with this one. Makes the life easier, right? So, nice and useful tool. Go check out how I designed and 3D printed it. And if you need this tool, the Stl Files, you can download from the link in the video description. 3D print this one for yourself and enjoy working. Similarly, I have created a big triangle which can be used for doing the same thing, okay, and also be used to create 45-degree angle. This is exactly 45 degree, so you can actually mark the wood 45 degree and cut it according to the 45-degree joints that you want to make. And yes, if you're working with a table saw, you would love to have some 3D printed wood pusher, which I have 2 of these here, and I can create basically more. I also want to create the other one which actually pushes the wood from top and have spaces in there for the blade to go in and out without cutting anything and keeping your hands safe. So this is very nice to push the wood from here, and this one is good to push the wood this way, and it's pretty thin, so you can actually cut very thin wood pieces on table saw. These are the Stl Files for these 2 tools are also in video description. The links are in the video description. Go ahead if you want to download, show some love and download these files, 3D print them and use them. So we have pushers, we have the triangle, we have the 90-degree angle ruler, and obviously the center marking tool.